Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a focused library and event so media stays organized. This matters for performance and backups. Next, import footage using the Media Import window or by dragging folders. Make sure transcoding or proxy creation is selected if you'll edit on a slower machine. Once clips are in, apply keywords, mark favorites, and use smart collections to surface usable takes quickly. This reduces decision time later and keeps your timeline tidy as you move into assembly. Now assemble your rough cut on the magnetic timeline. Drag clips, overwrite, or append to build structure. Use the precision editor, blade, and trim tools to refine in and out points. Compound clips help manage complex sections. Add B-roll above primary footage, place titles on higher lanes, and sync external audio using automatic syncing or manual alignment. Once done, assign roles to dialogue, music, and effects to simplify mixing and ensure clean exports. This reduces mistakes in the final stages. Finish by color grading. Correct exposure first, then use color wheels and curves for balance, and apply LUTs sparingly for stylized looks. For audio, normalize dialogue, add voice isolation or noise reduction, then EQ and compress for clarity. Place music on separate roll lanes to manage levels. Finally, export using master file or send to compressor. Choose the appropriate codec, resolution, and bitrate. If exports show color shifts, relink original media and ensure color management settings match timeline and export formats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.